Welcome everybody. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. And once again, we got some crazy news happening in the crypto markets once again. Price, no likey. Bitcoin, no likey the PCE data, man. Okay. And Bitcoin going let down really, really quickly. So we're going to be covering here Bitcoin's price. We're going to be covering altcoins. We got some good news from Solana. We got some really good news coming out for Kaspa. If you guys are Kaspa holders, definitely definitely stay tuned. Going to be covering some good Kaspa news, and obviously we're going to do the altcoin TA. We're going to be jumping into different altcoins, checking out their ranges, checking out where they're headed, and to see if we can find some potential entry points here for some from some altcoins as we head lower out apparently for Bitcoin at least. So Bitcoin right now is currently sitting somewhere. Let me see. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 60,000, 60,000. Yeah, 60,200, heading towards below 60,000. Looks like it wants to break below 60,000 here. Not looking too bueno. No bueno, mi amigo. No bueno at all. So we're well over the dip here. Oh, let me share my screen. Actually, I forgot to do that. You guys just tuning in here, definitely just be patient with me, guys. I forgot to share my screen. Here we go. The Bitcoins, we have fallen below 61,200. I told you guys that if we lose this, it's not too bueno. We're kind of consolidating here for the last couple of days, but not looking too good, man. Not looking too good. Heading down here to around 58 potentially, right? If we keep going down, we lose this. I actually am interested in seeing what this previous week range is looking like. Let me see here. Let me get a different Bitcoin chart, a cleaner Bitcoin chart, so that yeah. Let me just turn all this stuff off. What did I miss something? Yeah, I missed one range right here. Okay, cool. Let's get the weekly here. Let's get a nice little vertical line so I know where the week starts. Let's jump onto the daily. Let's get a range here from last week till yesterday. And yeah, we are also well below the weekly range here for this week. This from the previous week to now, we are well below this range here. So not looking too good at all. Let me go jump back out here to the weekly. Let me get that's the previous week that I just did. This is the current week right now. So not looking too good. Let me see. Oh, let me actually check out the previous week before that as well. See what that is looking like. Let me jump back down to the daily. And let's get this right here. Boom. Let's get rid of these verticals. Let me get rid of this range. All right. So Bitcoin, this range is actually not the one I wanted to get rid of. So Bitcoin right now is currently under its previous week range. It's finding resistance at the previous value area low, which is 61,800, 61,000. Let me just mark it here. 61,000, yeah, 61,784, give or take, leaving us a basically a naked point of control up here at 65,000, which is an interesting target. If we start moving towards that, that's going to be very bullish. But first, we need to get back above 61,700 and actually be able to hold above it. As you guys can see here, for the last entire week, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days, including today. We're about to close today's candle in the next 3 hours. So unless something magical happens, I don't expect us to go back over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We spent 5 days below the 61,784 level here, which has been acting as massive resistance. So if we can break above 61,784 and stay above there, very, very bullish. If we close a candle above that, my next target would be $65,000 for Bitcoin. All right, so if we jump back over to my previous chart, if we jump back over to my previous Bitcoin chart here, I know you guys on TikTok can't see this, but at least if you guys want to see it, go definitely go check it out on my YouTube, Blockchain Crusader on YouTube. Guys, everybody in here right now, tap that screen. I'm going to be answering your questions in just a minute. Make sure you're tapping that screen. Get those likes pumping, baby. Get those likes pumping. Let's get it. WP in the house. What's going on? Appreciate you, brother. Uh, as you can see here, if we get back towards 65,000, will put us back into this previous month range here of June, which is what we're currently under, which would be very bullish. We have a developing naked point of control here at 69,000 as well. So if we get back towards that $65,000 goal target, then we can start making a run back towards this potential naked point of control here, as June is closing out in the by this Sunday. This Sunday is the end of June, and I believe it is also the end of the quarter, and quarter three is starting on July 1st. So quarter three starting, that's another quarterly end right there as well. So a lot of potential big levels being left up here above here, big targets to the upside. So it actually could be July could be a very bullish month. At least maybe not the very beginning of July, right? When I say July, I'm not saying like July 1st is going to be bullish, but you could see some very bullish momentum developing throughout July into August. And, I am very bullish for the fourth quarter of this market. So let's keep rocking and rolling here. Let's smash those likes. If you guys are over here on TikTok and want to make sure all your questions are answered, and make sure you're jumping over onto the YouTube and checking over the YouTube channel as well. Let's see here. Let's answer some questions. Land Wolf on Solana to billions. We'll see about that. Hypertensor went up 200% this week. I have no idea what Hypertensor is. I know BitTensor. Updates on Solana ETF. I haven't heard anything. Oh, yeah. So the updates for the Solana ETFs here, if we jump over here to the X platform, these are, we obviously have 21 shares, ARK Invest. They filed their S1. That's the second Solana ETF S1 being filed, which is very, very bullish. We also have some information coming here from the Supreme Court. Overturning Chevron's doctrine is a win for crypto. The U.S. Supreme Court's 6-3 ruling to overturn the Chevron doctrine, a 40-year-old precedent, deferring to federal agencies' law interpretation could benefit the crypto industry. Majority Whip Tom Emmer stated that the decision will directly impact SEC Chair Gary Gensler, potentially limiting his regularity reach over crypto firms. Amanda, whatever her last name is, from the DeFi Education Fund, highlighted that executive agencies like the SEC and CFTC must now be cautious in extending their regulatory authority without clear statutory authorization, especially in fields like crypto. The ruling allows courts to determine that most appropriate interpretation of statutory laws without deferring to agencies like the SEC, potentially lead to more favorable outcomes for the crypto industry. Let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to hear. The decision may prompt Congress to clarify existing statutory ambiguities and slow down regulatory enforcement actions against the crypto industry, with hopes of comprehensive regulation bills like Fit 21 to progress. So that's very, very bullish. Big win there. We also have some very big news for Kaspa. Token has been the best performing token in the top 100 in terms of market value in the past 7 days. Well, if we come look at Kaspa over here, Kaspa is up 27% this month, 22% this week alone. Back to it hit 18 cents earlier today. It's down at 17.8 now. Ranked at number 24, market cap 4.28 billion. Kaspa is getting, guys, they are getting smart contracts. They're getting KRC20 tokens on their blockchain. They don't have dexes yet, so their tokens are going to be a little wonky. You're going to have to be minting them instead of buying them on a dex, because they don't have dexes yet, right? They're just getting released with their smart contracts on the 30th, on Sunday of this week, of this month. This Sunday coming up, they are getting their KRC20 tokens, which is very, very bullish to get smart contracts on there, because guess what? What have we been seeing this entire bull market? We've been seeing meme coins. And there's meme coins getting prepared to launch on Kaspa already. I just spoke to one of them. I just came across it as I was doing research on Kaspa and what the KRC 20 smart contract. I thought the platform smart contracts were already out, but then I started doing some more research earlier today, and it looks like they're not out. They're coming out on the 30th of this month in just 2 days' time right now, less than 48 hours. And that being said, there's already major communities being built around these meme coins on Caspa that have not even launched yet. And like I said, Caspa doesn't even have dexes. They don't have a dex, a decentralized exchange where you can buy these meme coins. So you're gonna have to go through. I'm gonna be making I'm going to be making a tutorial video this weekend, tomorrow morning, actually, on Saturday. I'm going to be making a tutorial video explaining what wallet you need to use for Caspa to be able to mint these meme coins and how the minting process even works, because it's very different than just buying a meme coin on a DEX, like how we've done with Solana, Ethereum, and any other chain. So I'm going to be making a tutorial on that, which is very, very so I'm very bullish, right? Where everyone is very bullish on meme coins. This is a brand new ecosystem, just how Base was a brand new ecosystem, getting exposure to meme coins, and that is going to blow up their network, right? They're going to be having so much more transactions happening on their network, appreciation. The miners are going to be even more profitable. I was talking about miners. There's also some news down here about what is it, Marathon, I believe it was. We'll get back to this. The SEC is suing Consensus over MetaMask staking and broker allegations. That's just crazy nonsense. But yeah, Bitcoin miner Marathon is diversifying its revenue by mining Kaspa token. The Kaspa currency has already mined about $15 million worth of token since September of 2020. This is what I was talking about yesterday or earlier this week with Alex O Crypto, and I forgot who else I was talking to, or I was just talking about it in general. Is this right here? The fact that Kaspa mining is so bullish, is so profitable. I'm sorry, so profitable that big players like Marathon have been mining it since last September. They have accumulated, obviously, $15 million worth of Kaspa crypto and of Kaspa tokens. And I'm sure that they have been selling off a massive amount as well for profits. This is the problem. This is the problem, right? This is why I believe the Kaspa price has been somewhat suppressed for so long, because of the simple fact that they have major mining operations selling Kaspa. So that's just one of my theories. I could be completely wrong about that, but I do believe that that is holding back the price. Kevin, what's going on? Kevin, Rich J, what's up, brother? I appreciate all of you guys jumping in here, smashing those likes. Let's see here. Let me try to read some more questions over here on the TikTok. Just a bunch of people joining. I appreciate every single one of you. Thoughts on Aptos? I don't have any thoughts on Aptos. What coins are you watching right now? I made a video on coins that I'm watching, on coins that I'm following closely. If you guys want to go check that out, I believe I called it. What did I call it? Where are my videos at? Top 5 altcoins, potential 10x. I did that. I saw some altcoins that I'm looking at. Obviously, Kaspa. I'm talking about it right now. Kaspa is definitely one of them. Another one that I'm looking at is Render. Right, Render has had a nice little pullback. It's had a nice little pump back up to over $7, but it got to like at least like to $6, like high $6, right below $7. So I'm dollar cost averaging Render. Obviously, if you already have an allocation for Render, probably don't do that. But Render, Kaspa, Polkadot is another one that I'm looking at. Polkadot is another one that I'm Polkadot. Ton is another one that I'm looking at. Pendle is another one that I'm looking at. I've been dollar cost averaging into Pendle right here, below $5 right now. Holding up its price pretty well. It jumped all the way up to about $6, but Pendle's another one that I've been dollar cost averaging. Solana was one that I averaged. I bought some on that last major dip when we dropped down into the 130s, 120 area. Solana, what else was I buying? AVAX, yep, Avalanche. Where's Avalanche at? AVAX was sitting at what? What is it sitting at? Sitting at $28 now. I bought some more AVAX somewhere in the low 20s, but low $25, give or take. AVAX is another one that I'm looking at. Let's see, what else was I? Injective is another one. Alex O Crypto was talking about it. Injective sitting at $22 right now, basically 23. Very, very bullish as well, I believe, in the long term. Arbitrum is another one sitting at 79 cents, $2.5 billion market cap. Not It's down 32% this year. It's not even up. So it's like it's taking a massive hit to what it's doing. I think it can definitely come back up. Ondo is one that I'm keeping my eye on. It's currently sitting at $1.11. If we lose support at $1.10, $1.08, whatever it was, then it started breaking towards that one, closer to that $1 or below. I would definitely be averaging some more Ondo at those price points. But I've been buying Ondo since 29 cents. So Ondo's another one that I've been taking a look at as well. ICP is one that I've been looking at, sitting at $7.93. Zui is another one that I haven't kept my eye on for a bit, but it's dropped below $1. Zui is at 79 cents right now. Was doing very, very well earlier this bull market. A lot of DeFi plays, a lot of things happening on Sui. Very, very bullish on Sui. And Arrow from Aerodrome on base, sitting at 71 cents as well, down 41% this month. Arrow's another one that I keep my eye on. Market cap is only 367 mil. Obviously, there's a lot higher risk, but a higher returns possibility as well. 71 cents on Arrow, below $1. Arrow reached close to $2.13. So massive discount price happening right there for for Arrow. Illuvium, crypto gaming, Illuvium, $65 Illuvium, I think is another major discount in crypto gaming. Last bull market, this coin did very, very well. I believe they're going to continue doing very well this bull market as well. Obviously, they've had a massive pullback so far. Crypto gaming has not really had any massive highlight or narrative run so far in this bull market. At some point, it will. Crypto gaming always has a turn. And Illuvium finally having a full set game out running that people can play and use. I think is very, very bullish for their governance token, and ILV is their governance token with a very limited supply. So I'm bullish on Illuvium. I have an Illuvium price prediction out there as well, and only sitting at 290 mil market cap. I definitely think it has room to run. So those are just some right there off the top of my head that I can imagine, I can think of right now. Let's see. This can't be live. Yes, sir. It is live. Let's see. I think there's congressmen that have Arrow. There was a congressman that has Velo. Velo's another one, which is basically Aerodrome, but on Optimism's network. Velodrome Finance. It's currently sitting at 9 cents right now, 67 mil market cap. So it's a very, very small market cap. It's up 2.5% in the year. So it's taken a massive hit on the way back down, 41% down this month. Everything. These are the kind of cryptos you want to be looking for. Not giving you financial advice or anything, but when I'm looking for things to buy, I'm looking for things that are down 50, 60%, right? Because those are the things that are really far away from their all-time highs. PNG Pangolin, this is a DEX token that was originally on AVAX. It's gone multi-chain. Very, very bullish on this. DEX tokens, when the altcoin season was running, DEX tokens started pumping hard, and Pangolin was one of them. I told you guys back in November that Pangolin was mispriced. Pangolin was at 7 cents, and Pangolin ran all the way up to like about 80, 90 cents from 7 cents. It's had massive bull market potential run. It's up 1,300% this year, or in the year overall. It's down 19% this month. Another one, QI. This is Benki on AVAX. This is basically the Compound or Aave, but on AVAX, sitting at 65 mil market cap, very low market cap. If this is down 23% this month, up 132% the year, is sitting at 1 cent right now. This is one Kaspa. Sorry, as we see more things happening for the AVAX ecosystem growing. I definitely believe that the DeFi ecosystem is going to grow on AVAX. So if AVAX pumps and it gets a big highlight again, I definitely think that's going to do well for Benki as well. All right, let's read some more. Let's read some more chat here. Let's read some more chat. ICP price prediction. I don't have a price prediction for ICP exactly off the top of my head. I think ICP can get near $100. Tau BitTensor. Tau is down at $268, down 35% this month. Not a lot happening with Tau. Tau is one of the AI tokens. having nice little pullback up 428% in the month on the year. It's up 428% in the year. It's down 35.8% in the month. This is probably something that I would definitely be considering as well, since AI is definitely going to have another massive run here at some point in this bull market. And when it does, I'm pretty sure BitTensor Tau is going to run. It's going to run as well. Link, I can't believe I missed Link earlier. Link sitting at $13.96, currently at 8.4 billion. Tons of good bullish news coming out of Chainlink. Um, very very good things coming out with Chainlink. That being said, this is definitely one that I'm dollar cost averaging. If the markets keep pulling back and we keep heading lower, I will continue to buy more Chainlink as well. Let's jump on over here. Did I have a news article that I wanted to cover? I'm pretty sure I had a news article. Let's see here. Give me a little refresh. ADA prepares for next move. There's a lot of ADA bullishness coming back into the market. Very very important. If you guys want to keep up with ADA, definitely check out Crypto Crow. Crypto Crow's the biggest ADA bull out there, and very very knowledgeable. Has had direct conversations with Charles Hoskin multiple times. Very very that's the Cardano guy. That's definitely the Cardano guy to learn from and to hear what's going on for Cardano. Let's see. Yeah, Ethereum developer platform Consensus has been sued by the SEC. We knew about that. No, I guess there was a different time that I was looking at some articles for Crypto Crow. Yeah, Nita, Crypto Crow on YouTube. Go check him out. He's the ADA like master. If there's anyone that knows everything about ADA, it's him. My guy, when are we going to see altcoin season? Man, it's all gonna be dependent on Bitcoin, right? Like I said, Bitcoin's been heavily being rejected here at around 61,700 and some change. Massive rejections happening there. Cannot get back above that value area low to start moving back up. If we can get back above 65,000, will put us back into this June range with a value area of with a point of control sitting up at 69,000. As Bitcoin starts coming back up and starts running again, as that happens, then obviously altcoins are going to keep rallying. But as Bitcoin continues to drop slowly, altcoins are going to continue bleeding. But that is the opportunity, right? The opportunity is you want to buy altcoins when they're cheap. You don't want to buy altcoins back in March when things were up 200, 300%. You want to buy altcoins when they're down 30, 40, 50%, 60%. That's when you want to buy altcoins, because it's going to have another run. There's going to be another leg up in this market. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm just telling you that's what I believe. That's what I'm doing, right? I know this bull market is still young. I know this summertime is always exhausting. It's always the lullaby of every summer when things just keep crashing. But, it's one of those things that you need to be aware of, that it's just a phase in the market, and it's another opportunity to dollar cost average. That is exactly what I'm doing. I am continuing to dollar cost average as altcoins continue to drop, right? And when Bitcoin starts to recover and starts to push back up towards new all-time highs, you bet your bottom dollar those altcoins are going to pump, baby. And talking about pumping, I'm giving away an Oculus hardware wallet, guys. Oculus hardware wallet. You guys can see right here, Oculus hardware wallet. I'm giving one of these away. I'm giving one of these away to one of the people in the Crypto Citadel. The first 50 people to sign up for the Crypto Citadel for the premium section is going to be eligible to get an Oculus hardware wallet, and I'm potentially going to be giving away one every single month once we reach that 50 member threshold. The Crypto Citadel is right now just my Discord. It's my private Discord. It's free to join for anybody that wants to join. But if you really want to learn how to cash flow, how to use DeFi, talk about some trade setups, check out some of my more in-depth analysis on different charting that I've done on different altcoins for actual trade setups and targets, the Crypto Citadel premium section is where it's at. It costs 50 50 cents. Why can't I talk today? It costs 50 cents, guys. 50 cents a day to be in the Crypto Citadel premium section. So you can just join my link right here. Go to my bio. If you're watching on YouTube, link is down below, or actually the link is in the chat. You can do that, or you can just become a member. If you're on YouTube, if you become a member on YouTube, you will automatically be enrolled into the Crypto Citadel if you become a member on YouTube. If you are over here on TikTok, obviously you're gonna have to go to the link right here, go to my bio, go to my Discord, and sign up for the premium section. It costs $15 a month, and it costs 50 cents a day to be in there. And I teach you guys how to cash flow your assets, right? Like, it's just like real estate, but in crypto. When you're bullish on real estate, you buy a property, you're gonna hold this property long term, and then guess what? You rent out this property to make you cash flow every month, right? Well, same thing. Ethereum is something that I'm very bullish on long term. There's many examples, but I just like using Ethereum as my main example. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I hold a fat bag of Ethereum, but guess what? If I'm going to be my own bank and I need to operate like a bank, right? I need to put my money to work so I can make me more money. And how do I do that? With DeFi. By providing liquidity, I can put an asset that I'm long-term bullish on, that's going to appreciate in value long-term anyways. And that is doing that. That same asset is working for me, collecting fees from these dexes, and I'm making cash flow on the money, on the asset that I'm holding. So I could be making anywhere between $100 to $500, depending, whatever it is, a month on an asset that I'm going to be holding and is going to be appreciating in value over time anyways. And that's what I teach people in the Crypto Citadel. And what I got, it's only open up to 50 people. It's only open to up to 50 people. I don't want to be managing a large amount of people in the Discord. I just want 50 people that are committed to learning about this, to learning how to do DeFi. And as people drop out, then obviously it opens up for new people to join in. But 50 people is the max, and the people that are joining up there, once we hit the 50 number threshold, somebody's going to be getting a free Oculus wallet, and I'm going to be giving away one hardware wallet every month from that point on. Afterward, to somebody that's in there, I'm going to be giving away a hardware wallet every single month till then. So I hope you guys are signing up. I hope you guys want to learn how to cash flow your own assets, and if you don't, that's cool too. Hey, nice to see you live, dude. Yeah, Levithian, what's going on? Levithian is somebody that's in the Crypto Citadel. You guys can definitely check out, ask Levithian what he thinks about it. Will lose their subscription benefits soon? Well, who's going to lose their subscription benefits soon? What's going on here? What are you referring to, Levithian? I don't know what Levithian is. The Discord link does not work. Well, if the Discord link doesn't work, sci-fi, definitely go on over to my YouTube. Go into that link, because TikTok is kind of weird. It kind of like suppresses people from like leaving into a Discord. So go click on the YouTube link and go there. And in my YouTube, right, any of my videos in the description, you will see the link to the Discord, and then you can join that way. Sorry about that. I don't know why TikTok does that. I've tried fixing it multiple times, and it always breaks it for some reason. I don't understand why this TikTok does that. Let's jump on over here to some other charts. Let's see how Solana is doing right now. Let's check out AVAX right now. AVAX had a nice little bounce off the point of control, heading toward this level of $29. Value area high is $32. We get back above that. Very, very bullish. We get back above $30. Let's look at, see what Render's up to. Render doesn't have a lot going on for it right now. Trying to hold support here on this daily level right here. Gonna tap that level here, trying to hold support. But if we lose that, we're gonna be coming down to, if we lose $7, get ready, boys. Because if we lose $7, $4.75 is gonna definitely be on the table if we lose $7. If we lose $7 for render, $4.75 is definitely on the table. This is one of the trade setups that I have in the Crypto Citadel for the longer term. Let's see here. Leo says I want in. Apparently, the link directly to my Discord is not working. So make sure. Levithian, no, it should be automatic. It should be automatic. I don't know why it's not renewing. That's weird. Is that's what you're referring to? Reach out to me. Reach out to me in the Discord, Levithian. Don't worry, dude. I'll take care of you. Leo, so apparently the Discord link is not working directly. So you're gonna have to go direct. You're gonna have to click on the link, go to my YouTube, and then click on any video, even the live stream that I'm on right now over there, and you'll see the link to the Discord. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to make you do a few extra clicks, but apparently the Discord link on TikTok is not working for some reason. Let's see here what other assets we have. Let's take a look at Doge. What is Doge up to? Doge has been holding up support here at 11 cents. Holding up 11 cents as support. If 11 cents is lost, definitely going to be coming a lot lower below 8 cents, give or take, potentially 7 cents. But meanwhile, Doge continues to hold 11 cents. Pretty solid. Pretty solid here. Charlie, what's up, man? Appreciate you. See you in the chat. Let's see what other. Let's take a look at ADA. I haven't looked at ADA in a long time. Oof, got a lot of different levels here. Let me turn off some of these horizontals. Thank you. That was driving me crazy for a minute there. Let's get the month of May. May 1st, all the way, come on, to 31st. Here we are. Okay, came up, tapped the point of control, lost it, coming back down. Let's see what June's developing range is looking like. Okay, we're right above the point of control of the developing range for June. If we lose the point of control, value area low is sitting around 36 cents. We've tapped that twice, being able to hold that support, bouncing off of that. We need to get back above 44 cents, though. We need to get back above 44 cents to really start making a move up. We don't have too much volume happening here at 38 cents, give or take. Well, actually, I'm wrong. Back in 23, there was a lot of volume happening over here. It was back in November when we had that massive explosion to the upside to 60 cents, as high as 81 cents for Cardano. So yeah, right now Cardano needs to get back above 44 cents to get really bullish. Meanwhile, we hold 36 down here, also bullish. But if we lose 36, buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Let's see here. What other range? Let's take a look at ICP. Yeah, ICP is in danger, man. ICP is in danger. If Bitcoin continues to pull back here, ICP's next levels, look at this. Not much holding it up here at all the way up to $6. So if we lose, we're in danger of just completely collapsing on ICP down to $6 flat. And if $6 flat doesn't hold, we have a naked point of control sitting down at $4.51 for ICP. So no promise or guarantee that we're going to reach those levels or drop those levels. But man, that would be a massive drop. Everything red today? Yeah, 100%. Saeed says, I subscribed on YouTube. I'm in your Discord. How do I pay? So in the Discord, let me jump on over here. So in the Discord, as you guys can see here, if you're in the Discord, once you're officially in here, there is a channel called Upgrade. There's a channel called Upgrade with a diamond next to it. It's at the very top of the channels inside the Discord. Click on there. It's going to show you a link to my Patreon. You're going to go there and sign up as the first 50 people. And after 50 people, I'm actually closing it. I had officially thought about opening it for much longer, but honestly, probably 50 people is all I want to manage. I don't want to really manage that many people in Discord. I don't want to be managing such a large amount of Discord. It takes a lot of time to mentor people and help people, stuff like that. So probably only going to be taking on 50 people. Oscar, for what coin? What are you talking about? I was talking about ICP having a major drop if we lose if Bitcoin continues to drop down here and there's not much holding ICP. Look at this. There's like no volume happening here. We have a little bit of a volume, a little bit of a level here sitting at $6, but outside of that, we're probably going to be potentially crashing down to $4.51 for ICP. That's going to be a major drop. I'm holding ICP out. Yeah, I'm holding ICP too. Don't get me wrong. I'm holding ICP too. I'm not. I'm saying there's no guarantee that we're going to drop to those levels, right? It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops down to 55, 48,000 from where we're at now, this drop for ICP becomes a lot more likely. That is a potentially about 42% drop from where we're at right now for ICP, but there's no guarantee, right? There's no guarantee. There's no guarantee that we're going to drop to these levels. We just have to keep waiting it out and see what happens. If ICP drops down to $4.51, I would probably be a buyer of ICP. That just for the simple fact that I think it can get at least back up to $15, where we've had massive resistance happening throughout this entire bull market, right? This entire altcoin season, we had massive, massive volume consolidation up here around $15. If we drop down to $4, I definitely think we can retest those levels at least, which would be more than doubling of my money right there at $4. Is this live? Yes, it is live. It is live. I think I got it done. Awesome, Leo. I appreciate you, man. Good to have you. Welcome to the Crusader Army, baby. Let's freaking go. Welcome to the Crusader Army. Let's see here. Any more questions? Questions for anybody? No, but no questions. Let's see here. Let's see what other altcoins, some charts I got from some other altcoins here. Let's take a look at Quant. Quant has been taking a beating. Quant has been taking a nice freaking beating, let me tell you. Not much going on for Quant. Quant has had some massive drops to the downside. Completely lost support here at $90. I thought 84 would hold, but that did not happen. We're continuing to drop here, creating lower highs, not really finding too much support, which is not bueno at all. Let's see here. The month of May. $2022. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted. Come on, get this parallel channel. This thing's such a pain. There we go. Let me get the range for June. Range for June down here. Negative point of control. So currently, this is what we're looking at for Quant right now. So Quant's fallen into a range here from back in 2022. Back in May of 2022, we came almost right to the point of control of it at $68. If this range is lost and we lose it at $61, $48 is most likely the next target if we continue to drop below, because $48 is a naked point of control from where we're at, which is another 34% drop to the downside. Like I said, just like ICP and all these other ones, these massive drops are only possible if Bitcoin has a massive drop. Crypto Pollo in the house. Cluck, what's going on, man? What's going on? I appreciate you. So I see you jumping in here. Let's see here. Don't know anything about High. Relio. Oh, man, Relio is another one. Low cap AI. Let's see here. Relio. Let's go take a look at Relio. Relio Network, real world assets. I'm very bullish on real world assets. It's currently sitting on $1.30, 71 mil market cap. Obviously, there's some high risk on this because this is a very low cap crypto. But Real world assets, I believe, is very, very bullish long term. If we jump on over here to coin market cap, go over to categories, come down to real world assets. Where's let me actually just put it in order. Let's jump down to real world. Give me a second here. Where's the R's? Real estate, real world assets. We got Ondo. these are the big ones. AVAX, Chainlink. These are all the big market caps that are in real world assets. ICP, Maker, VeChain, Ondo, Quant. Mantra is another one that's very, very bullish on real world assets. Market cap is sitting at 585 million. 70 is currently sitting at 70 cents. One that I'm definitely keeping an eye on. Reserve rights is another one. Obviously, this drops a lot lower. It's 273 mil. But where is Rio? Rio Proppy is another one, right? Proppy, TrueFi is another one. Let me see here. Where is TokenFi is another one. Goldfinch is one. Where the heck is Rio? Crypto Pollo just gifted 5 memberships. I appreciate you, Crypto Pollo. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Goldie Crypto just became a member. Let's go. The Pollo became a member. Let's freaking go. Let's see here. Swarm Markets is another one at 14 mil. This is very low market. 14 mil is definitely another one that Swarm Markets is another one that I'm bullish on. What's the market cap for real again? It's 72 mil. So why am I seeing it? Clay the Great became a member. Let's freaking go. 72 mil. Why am I not seeing Rio? Did I just fly right past it? Why is Rio not here? Come on now. How is Rio Network not here under real world assets? Rio Network. Am I confusing this with something else? We're eliminating the barriers to invest in trade and leverage exclusive real estate equity and real world assets through decentralized finance. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So why is this not in the real world? It used to be in the real world asset classification, or whatever you want to call it, category. I don't know why I'm not seeing it here now, but it somehow get taken off. Very, very strange. That's strange. But it's now sitting here. Well, those are some real world assets that I'm very bullish on. Like I said, Crypto Pearl, thank you so much for the support, man. I greatly appreciate it. Dave Digital in the house. What's up, Dave Digital? Guys, I think that's pretty much all I got for you guys today on a Friday, unless we got some big questions here coming up. Let's see here if we got any more questions. Do you think Chain is still a good buy? Chain what? Chainlink? Brian, are you talking about Chainlink? I don't know what you're referring to by chain. Thoughts on VeChain? Thoughts on VeChain? VeChain is definitely an interesting one. I like VeChain. VeChain is a real world asset. They're doing like stuff with the UFC by tokenizing the gloves and stuff. Currently sitting at 2.17 billion. I definitely think VeChain could definitely do well. It's just one of these really old cryptos. They don't have a ton of great marketing, but they do have some good marketing on X and Twitter. If you guys are on there and you're following up on VeChain, they have some really big announcements continuously always happening. They're very intertwined into the UFC and what they're doing with the UFC. So I definitely have a lot of potential in my mind that VeChain is going to do decently well. I don't think VeChain is going to break new all-time highs, but I think VeChain can do decently well, and it's certainly sitting at 2.5 cents. Ondo, very bullish. Check FJB on Sol. After last night's debate, we have nowhere to go but up with memes. Definitely, yeah. All the political memes kind of took a little bit of a hit yesterday, but I think it's definitely going to start coming back. Let me see here. Crypto Pro says this cycle has been very narrative driven and memes taking a lot of liquidity. Dude, 100% memes have been taking a lot of liquidity. And it's been happening for the simple fact that it's because all these meme coins wouldn't be such a big thing as they are right now if they wouldn't have created like the Solana the pump dot fund or whatever, the pump dot fund or whatever it is for Solana. And then they created some other deployers for base and these different ecosystems. If that didn't happen, we would not be seeing so many meme coins running so hard. It's because they made that, they made creating meme coins very basic, very simple, that absolutely anyone, with a few clicks, not even having to provide liquidity, right? Because another thing was like, oh well, even if I just a few clicks, I have to risk putting in a few $1,000s as liquidity to get the alt to create this meme coin and start running, and maybe I don't make that money back, so that would prevent people. But now you don't even have to create the liquidity yourself, which creates a ton of traffic to these meme coins. And one person can create 100 million different meme coins and just continue pushing it out, pushing it out, pushing it out, which has driven a massive meme coin frenzy happening. And honestly, it's great. It's fun to gamble, right? I'm all about going to the casino, rolling the dice, playing some cards, and gambling a little bit. And I do that. I'm doing that right now with some of the political meme coins. But that being said, I know that it's a complete gamble. I always mention that it's a complete gamble. I never say like, yeah, man, this is gonna be the next 1,000x or whatever, because there's no real reality to that. It's just a straight up gamble. You could be sitting on the lottery ticket, or you could be sitting on absolutely nothing. So what I'm risking on those meme coins is like fugazi of my portfolio, right? I'm not betting my whole portfolio on those meme coins. So, but a lot of people don't think that. A lot of people just get sucked up into the frenzy that a few people or a couple of people have made hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. There's a lot that happens behind these big meme coins where people make hundreds of thousands of dollars. One, the majority of those people claiming to have made so much money with the meme coins are BSing, right? They're engagement farming. They're full of BS, because if they were, they wouldn't be sharing with you how they actually did it, right? Because they want to keep that strategy to themselves so that they can continue printing money. If they're sharing out the strategy, most likely it doesn't work, or they're full of BS and they actually never have made that much money in the first place, right? Where they're making millions. I turned $100 into $1 million trading meme coins this last month. That's all a bunch of BS. That's all a bunch of BS. The only way people are making a ton of money is if you're inside on the team, right, with the altcoin, with the meme coin before it launches. If you're on the inside before these meme coins launch, right, that's the only way you're making a ton of money. That's the only way you're making a ton of money. Because outside of that, you're not going to be making a ton of money on it. So be very, very careful with the meme coins. Do not get distracted with the meme coins. Focus on the utility coins. Focus on the portfolio that is going to be sitting here for the next 5 to 10 years. Those are the things that you need to be looking for. And obviously, that portfolio is going to always constantly be changing, different cycles, different times. You're going to be selling some altcoins, taking profits, because it's very, very important. Taking profits is important. You need to take profits to be able to then move on to different altcoins in the next cycle to continue, whatever your strategy is to becoming a millionaire and making $1 million. I shared a very simple strategy on how to 10x into creating how basically if you break down making $1 million, it's pretty simple in how long it takes. It either takes you 3 cycles or 2 cycles, and also depends on how much investing knowledge you have, right? If you have $1,000, the quickest you can make $1 million, right, off a 10x strategy is 3 cycles, which is somewhere around 10 to 12 years. Within 10 to 12 years, you can make $1 million. If it sounds like a long time, 10 to 12 years, guys, the other alternative that you're getting told that you can become a millionaire is your 401k and your Roth IRAs. Retire with $1 million plus, right? When you're 60 plus years old, it's going to take over 40 years for you to get $1 million. So 10 to 12 years doesn't sound like a crazy amount of time to make $1 million with $1,000, right? Starting with just $1,000. Obviously, if you have more money, if you start with $10,000 or more, right, 10xing your 10,000 to 100k, you're 10xing your 100k to a million. Takes only about 2 cycles, which is roughly between 6 to 8 years. and bing bang boom, you have $1 million. And 10xing in crypto is very it's really not that hard to 10x your crypto portfolio in crypto, especially if you're in here in the bear market. It's a lot harder when you're already in the bull market, right? You're more likely to 3 to 5x when you if you jump in during the bull market. But if you're in throughout the depth of the bear market, accumulating top tier projects that have been around for a long time at high level discounts, a 10x is not that drastic. It's not that hard to find. So and it's not just one coin, like many coins will 10x. We've seen many coins 100x from the bottom of the bear market to where we're at now. So it's just one of those things. Vithian will lose their subscription benefits soon. What is this thing saying? Keep it up, brother. I appreciate it. Most alts go down at the end of the bull run. So boy, Pepe, Floki, etc. Yeah, all those meme coins, right? The top tier meme coins are also going to drastically drop at the end of the bull market. Memes are this cycle's NFTs. Are you downplaying it to your followers? I'm not downplaying anything. I'm just telling you I'm keeping it real, which is meme coins are extremely risky. Anybody hyping you up to just be diving into the meme coins only and having you focus all your time and money into meme coins is going to get you wrecked. It's going to get you wrecked because that is not how you make money long term. That is a very short fuse to live off of. Meme coins instantly crash, liquidity gets pulled, either whether it's a rug pull or just a lot of whales start selling, and you are not on the inside of these meme coins. And you're the team, and these different big whales that are in these meme coins will dump on you on your head very quickly, and you won't even be able to get out. So I'm not downplaying meme coins. I'm keeping it 100% real. Yes, you can make money, but it is always the meme coin casino. It will never stop being the meme coin casino. Yeah, you can make $1 million at the casino, or you can freaking empty your bank account 100%. I have 6 figures of Michi, and first buy was at 3 mil. I wasn't early. Good for you, bro. You have 6 figures in Michi. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure you'll probably never be able to pull out all the liquidity. So even if you have 6 figures or whatever in Michi, you'll probably never be able to sell all of it because there's not enough liquidity for you to sell all of it without you completely destroying the chart or whatever. So it is what it is. Meme coins are not for new people that are investing. Meme coins are for gambling. Anyone that says different is BSing you. I'm generalizing meme coins to the majority of being scams. That's not a generalization. That's a fact. That's a fact, bro. That is 100% fact. It's not a generalization. It is 100% fact. There's only been six meme coins in the history of all meme coins that have become legitimized, that have reached $1 billion market cap or more and have stayed there so far, right? We have Shiba, we have Doge, we have Floki, we have Pepe, we have Whiff, and we just recently got Brett. And I'm still don't know, right? Brett can still disappear. Brett can whatever. It doesn't. Brett just came out this cycle. Anything else outside of those have not become a legitimized meme coin. No matter how strong the community is, they will go away. They will crash, and there are majority of meme coins are scams, and not just whether they're scams or not. The risk on your portfolio on the 99% of meme coins, practically 100% of the meme coins, are extremely high. Your entire portfolio or any large amount in your portfolio being all meme coins is a recipe for disaster. Very small amounts should be put into meme coins, if any at all. Very small amounts of your portfolio, because if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how these meme coin cycles and groups and call groups and whale chats and all these things work in the background, and if you're not part of it, you will get wrecked. That is just the way it is. You will get wrecked. Meme coins are 100% gambling. How about Wolf, though? Same team behind Brett. I don't know, man. I don't know about Wolf. We'll see what Wolf can do. There's just because Brett got I don't know about the teams behind Brett and them being the same people as Wolf, right? We don't know. I don't know anything about that. But long story short is Just because one team has gotten a certain altcoin, a certain meme coin to $1 billion, and they go and start another one, yes, they have a higher chance of maybe trying to replicate that success, but there is no guarantee that they will replicate again the same success, making it back up to $1 billion. There just isn't. And the amount of risk, investing is all about risk management. If you're not assessing risk in your mind at all times, if this is a high risk play, this is a low risk play, if you're not assessing the risk and damage that your portfolio can take on every single investment that you're doing, you're not investing. You're just gambling. You're just gambling. So if you want to call yourself an investor, you better be assessing how much risk every single play that you're doing is on your portfolio. Because if you're not thinking risk, you're not investing. You're just gambling. Uh, Sold my entire alt portfolio at a loss for Brett. Mainly, Brett is a 50 to 100x play. Good luck, man. I hope that works out for you. My entire portfolio is in Brett and Wolf. They're going to billions. Give me a 10x alt, dude. I can give you a 100x alt that I already 100x'd in, not future potential possibility. I 100x'd on Axon DAO. 100x on Axon DAO. And that was an opportunity for everybody. Everybody was available to get in the public sale. Everybody was able to get in early to Axon DAO. I covered it from the very beginning when it launched in February 13th, all the way to the very tip top when it hit 96 cents. Axon DAO was 100x plus for me. Right there. And that's a decentralized science project. It's probably going to be around for a very long time. Like, there you go. There you go. There's been Kaspa. Kaspa has been a 50x plus gem. Kaspa has been doing amazing, right? Since way below a cent, Kaspa has gone all the way up to 20 cents or more, right? It's done huge amounts of gains. There's tons and tons of other altcoins out there that have 50 to 100x. It's just you needed to be here in the bear market, not at the middle of the altcoin season. Anyone that is pushing you towards meme coins alone is going to get you wrecked. If you want to put your whole portfolio into meme coins, good luck, bro. You're not going to last here. If you're one of the few that do last and make money, congratulations. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. But the reality is that those are exceptions to the rules. Those are not the majority. Those aren't the majority. And the majority of these meme coins, right, are just are shark infested waters. You're jumping in there and everybody is just eating each other up. You don't most people do not understand what they're getting themselves into when they get into meme coins. They think it's just this wondrous of all rainbows and giggles, and just you're gonna put in $100 and you're gonna cash out $1 million. The majority of meme coins don't even have the liquidity to pull out that amount, any level of high amounts of money on it. You just can't. You just can't. So, rant over. If you guys are following me, make sure you're following. If you're not following, make sure you're following me. Hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell on YouTube, on TikTok. If you're not in the crypto citadel, trying to learn about real crypto right now, just gambling away. It's okay to talk about meme coins, but I am 100% real with what meme coins are. I don't live in Fugazi land, giving you all imaginary dreams of 100x potential, right, on these meme coins. I don't give you that. If you want to learn how to cash flow assets, if you want to learn how to make your crypto that you're holding long-term in your bags cash flow for you, make you more money, look at some trade setups, talk about real altcoin opportunities, right? That's what you want to do. Join the Crypto Citadel, join the premium section. One of the first 50 people to sign up is going to get a hardware wallet, something that you can keep your assets safe in long term. And I'm going to be giving out one every month after we hit the 50 sign up target. Join right now. Link is in the bio. If the link to the Discord is not working, jump on over to my YouTube. Any video on my YouTube has the link to my Discord. Jump on in there and bing, bang, boom, sign up and become part of the Crusader Army. Until next time, see ya. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. I'm out of here.